Let me ask you a real question. How is a business supposed to grow if it needs money before it has credit? This is one of the biggest frustrations entrepreneurs face. You need capital to hire staff, buy equipment, run ads, or simply keep the lights on. But banks often tell you no because you do not have a credit history. Welcome to Cube Capital TV. Today, we are breaking down how to secure funding for your business even if you have no credit history at all. Here is the truth most banks will never tell you. No credit does not mean no options. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will understand why banks deny no credit businesses, what lenders look at instead of credit, what funding options you can use right now, and how to use funding strategically without hurting your business. Another option is invoice financing. If you bill clients and wait 30, 60, or 90 days to get paid, this can be powerful. You borrow against unpaid invoices, and those invoices serve as collateral. Approval is easier because the lender knows money is already coming in. Equipment loans are another strong option. If you need trucks, machinery, or technology, the equipment itself secures the loan. That is why credit history is often secondary with this type of funding. Business credit cards can also be an option. Some issuers approve business owners with limited credit, especially if income is stable. When used correctly, these cards can cover short-term expenses, help build business credit, and act as a funding bridge. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of no credit funding. The advantages include faster approvals, more accessibility than banks, and the opportunity to build a credit history. The disadvantages include higher interest or fees, shorter repayment terms, and in some cases, personal guarantees or collateral requirements. The key is strategy. This type of funding should fuel growth, not create stress. If this video helped you understand funding without credit, make sure you subscribe to Cube Capital TV. Like this video, share it with another business owner, and turn on notifications so you never miss valuable funding content.